My dear students, welcome back in the practice paper number 8 for class 9 physics, that is revision mixed of questions. Dear students, in this practice paper I have given total 10 questions. They are very easy and important for you to solve. The first question is, which has more inertia, a 4200 kg truck or a 4200 gram log of wood? Means you have been given two objects. First one is truck and second one is a log of wood. The mass of the truck is 4200 kg and that of the log of wood is 4200 gram. Now you have to decide which object has more inertia, either the truck or the concerned log of wood. Second question is, state the law of inertia. What is the statement of law of inertia? Third one, state Newton's second law of motion and derive its mathematical expression. What is the statement of Newton's second law of motion, that you have to write, and also you have to derive its mathematical expression. Means you have to derive F is equal to ma. Question number 4. A farmer moves with 20 km per hour on a square shaped path and covers one round in 10 minutes. Calculate the perimeter of the square. A farmer is moving with a speed of 20 km per hour on a square shaped path and he takes 10 minutes to cover its one round. He takes 10 minutes to cover one round of the journey. You have to calculate the perimeter of the concerned square. Fifth one is, a force of 10 Newton acts on an object of mass 10 milligram. You have to calculate its acceleration. See here, the force is given F is equal to 10 Newton, but the mass is given 10 mg. We know that the SI unit of mass is kilogram. So first of all, you have to convert this milligram into kilogram, then try to find out the value of acceleration. Sixth one, a car covers 1/3 of a journey with 20 km per hour and the remaining with 40 km per hour. A car is traveling and it covers some distance. The distance is given 1/3 of the total journey. The speed is 20 km per hour and the remaining distance is covered with a speed of 40 km per hour. So you have to calculate the average speed of the car. So total distance is not given. You have to select the total distance as x. Then 1/3 of a journey means x by 3 and remaining is x minus x by 3. Keeping these points in mind, you can easily solve it out. Seventh one, convert 7200 km per hour into meter per second. You have to convert this value into SI unit. Kilometer per hour is not the SI unit of speed, so you have to convert it into SI unit, that is into meter per second. Eighth one, what do you mean by non-uniform acceleration? Only you have to define non-uniform acceleration. Ninth one is, what is balanced force? What do you mean by balanced force? Last question of this practice paper is, differentiate scalar and vector quantity with examples. You have to differentiate the scalar and vector quantities with examples. I hope all these questions seem to be easier to all of you. Thank you.